Hi everybody, I'm Connor and welcome to my video on HStacks, VStacks, and ZStacks or ZStacks in SwiftUI. First we're going to open up a Swift UI file. I already did that, so it's giving me just the template. As you can see right here, it already comes with the struct, which is the view and the body, and it just has a text item that says hello world. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click the preview app. As you can see, the emulator is slow at best. I'm not really running anything else in the background at this point. And there you go. So here we have it. And let's just go ahead and delete that. Now you can see that Xcode is really mad at me. And so let's go ahead and we'll throw a VStack in. It's always a good idea to start with a VStack because that's how, people read pages. Now that I put in the VStack and it's caught up, it's gotten rid of the error message. So let's go ahead and add an HStack or some other elements. I know I said HStack, but I changed my mind. So here you can see that I didn't really get everything in the screen, but if you go up to the top right hand corner, there's a plus, and that'll bring up this window, and here we have all the objects. Here's the circle. I'm clicking. Okay, it's kind of janky. Let's throw in a spacer. I'm also going to add some modifiers to make this look a little better and kind of explain this a little better, but I realized that the screenshot is a little bit small, so let's switch angles. So during that downtime, I added a few more circles. As you can see, we have the 4 circles and they're just sitting here, and I'm just gonna open up and clean up my code a little bit. And I know this is a video about stacks, but this is a great time to talk about modifiers. They're pretty easy. Here I'm just going to put some color modifiers so you can see which one's which. Ooh, blue. We're gonna do it again. We'll make red. Okay, great. Here is red, green, and you get the picture. So why am I doing this? I'm doing this because it's going to help us see how everything's laid out. Okay, so we've got that all set up. Now it's time for our HStack. So I'm just going to cut these circles out. You can also use a straight embed, but I wanted to show the HStack in progress. So I'm just going to create an HStack, and I'm going to put my brackets, and then I'm going to put those circles back in. The preview is going to take a minute before it loads up again, but oh, there you go. It's over there. Now, the spacer isn't doing much in this situation because the sizes basically fill up the area. But as you can see with your HStack, the top item becomes the left item, and the bottom item becomes the bottom item. And the same thing with the VStack. You start from the top and you go to the bottom. Now, my last thing I want to talk about is the ZStack. Now, this is basically layers of a card. So I'm going to put a text item, oh, hello, and then you're going to see me fumble on realizing why it's not there. Oh my goodness, why is it not there? Why is it not there? Why is it not there? Oh good, I missed some brackets. With views, you really got to watch your brackets. It was a big thorn in my side most of the time, but if it says it's missing a bracket at the bottom, it probably means you forgot a bracket in the newest thing you added. So if you see this down there, just find a spot and throw in a new bracket. Okay, great. So we've got the text, it's in the right bracket. So we're going to change the font so you can see it. Here I'm being indecisive about a simple font choice, but that's okay. And then we're going to go down to its color, and this is where it's going to pop. Oh, there it is. Oh, hello. And that's it. The ZStack reads from top to bottom, and the thing on the top is the bottom layer.
Hot dog.